Okay, I have a Era 6-pin KIK lock. It is just placed in a slag housing. Okay, the lock does work. It is locked up. This is the bitting on the key. So let's put it in the vise, open it up, and see what kind of pins we have in it. Make sure it's tight. Okay, let's go ahead and check it again, make sure that it does work. Okay, it is locked up, and let you get another look at the bitting on the key. Maybe you can see that. Okay, let's use the top of the keyway, and let's use this pick. Let's go to the back. Okay, there's pin 6, pin 5, there's pin 3. Okay, pin 4 is, can get the pick under it. There's pin 4. Okay, got it under there. Okay, there's pin 6. It was more of a false set. Okay, pin 3, and it's open. Okay, let's check out our pins. Okay, let's see if we can get this clip off. We got a key so we can get back in it if I lock it back up, trying to get the clip off. And we did lock it up. So let's see if we can get the clip off. There it is. Alright. See if we can do this without dropping everything. Alright, pin 6. Okay, there's pin 5. Alright, pin 4. Pin 3. Pin 2 and 1. Okay, this come out of pin 1. It's pin 2. Alright, let's check our top pins. Okay, all the pins are in and working. Okay, serrated, 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 and serrated. Okay, let's take a look at the plug. Okay, all pin chambers in the plug are threaded. Let's nut the springs out. Okay, looks like pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are all threaded. Excuse me. Okay, everything's threaded in the Bible. Let's see if we can take a closer look at the pins now. Okay, pin 1 and 2. The bottom pins are serrated key pins. This is a similar to a double serrated spool. This is another like a trampoline pin, similar. This is another similar to a trampoline pin. This is another little small spool, whatever you want to call it. All the key pins are serrated. This is another trampoline pin. This is another serrated type double spool. Okay, that's what we have in this Era 6-pin challenge lock. That is the bitting on the key. See if we can get it a little bit different here so you can see the bitting a little better. And the plug is threaded in all the pin chambers. Alright, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Please stay out of trouble, and please do not do anything illegal. And thank you very much.